Hello guys, this is a short video based on requests on how to stop loss trading crash and boom using the previous strategy I uploaded. The strategy I uploaded on how to trade crash and boom. So this I want to show you how you should stop loss because people requested that I should do a video on how they should use the stop loss to trade using that strategy. So this is how it is. So right now I bought Boom 1000 as you can see. So we are going to be using Boom 1000 as an example for this video. Okay, as we all know, the conditions to place a trade using this strategy is that the red moving average must cross below the green line at the indicator window 1. So we can see it crossed below even at the beginning of the chart and at the end and also at the middle it crossed below already. So right now we are expecting a spike. We're expecting that we receive a spike. So we are waiting for this market to spike. The conditions has been met, so we are waiting for the spike. Okay, so these are the indicators. In case you don't know how to set the indicators, please watch the video on how to trade crash and boom. The link is at the description below. Okay, so this is the trade. We're waiting for the spike. All we need right now is patience to be successful in trading. To be a successful trader, you need patience. You truly need patience. So you don't run out of the market because you see loss. No, you have to be patient. You can't run out of this market because of this loss. We need patience right here. So these are the Boom 1000 we trade. So let's wait for the spike. Okay, back to the reason for this video, how to set your stop loss. I normally set my stop loss 20 candles after the point I placed my trade. So this is the point I placed my trade. So I'm going to stop this trade. I'm going to close this trade 20 candles after the point I placed my trade. I'm going to put a line there to show the point so we can understand it better. So let me place a red line there to show the point I placed my trade. So this is the point I placed my trade. You see, it's just 1 2 3 candle, 4 candles right now, so we'll still have 16 more candles to wait for. If it doesn't spike, then I'm out of the trade. I still have more spike to catch. There is still more spike I'm going to catch. So if it doesn't spike after these 20 candles, I'm going to go out of this trade and wait for another. So that's how forex trading works. We don't keep loss for long. Once it's not working on our favor, we'll close the trade. So you set your stop loss and know your loss, know the loss you can attain, know the loss you can keep. So that's how we trade forex. We're still waiting for the spike, so we just need to be patient. Something I encourage people to do is to analyze their market also from a higher time frame. Like this is the 15-minute time frame for Boom 1000. So we're trying to confirm our 1-minute time frame analysis. So we analyze from a higher time frame, which is 15-minute time frame. So as we can see using the strategy, we found out that the red moving average crossed below the green line, which means a buy. It indicates a buy. So this has had more reasons for our spike, that we are expecting that spike. It's going to come. So we need patience right here. We just need patience. So we're still holding on for the spike. For the red moving average to be below, to cross below this green line indicates a buy. So we are holding on for this trade. So we are waiting for it. It's going to spike. Let's be patient. So let me take profit for my step index trade and also my VIS75. Yeah, Boom 1000, we are still waiting for you to spike. Boom 1000, we are waiting for your spike. What? We just got a spike right now. Yeah. So guys, we just got a spike we've been waiting for boom 1000. You see, we need patience trading with this strategy. We just got a spike. Okay? So that's how this strategy works. Another spike, another spike. You see guys, another spike. Another spike has just come. Another spike has just occurred right now. Boom, 1000 just gave us a double spike using the strategy. So you see, we analyzed with the 1 minute time frame, and we also confirmed with the 15-minute time frame, and you see our result was sure. Our result was sure, and we got what we wanted. So this is how this strategy works. You need patience, and once your 20 candles, which was used at your stop loss, is being, you get the 20 candles with that spike, please just close the trade and go for another. This is how it works. So let's see how many candles we got before the spike. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We got 19 candles before the spike. You see, we got 19 candles before the spike. So we are going to take our profits from here right now. Close the trade, take profit. Take profit. This, let's take our profit. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more strategies.